Prepare to witness the most savage, wood-destroying beasts ever built. From mega processors to monster logging machines, plus incredible fails that will blow your mind. Pure mechanical chaos unleashed. Watching the Hockey Pilk 43 Pro work is mesmerizing. It's a powerhouse of firewood production. Designed with efficiency in mind, the Hockey Pilk 43 Pro handles large diameter logs with precision and speed. Trucks hauling through the city, what a sight. They power through traffic with unmatched strength and presence. City hauls are no small feat. These trucks navigate tight spaces while maintaining their impressive load capacity and stability. The Logset 12H GTE Hybrid is a game changer. Hybrid power meets forestry efficiency in one sleek machine. It's incredible how smoothly the Logset 12H GTE operates, powerful, eco-friendly, and ready for any challenge. The Steel MS462 is an absolute powerhouse. Watch it slice through wood like it's nothing. The precision of this chainsaw is insane. Cutting through wood effortlessly and with speed, it's a true workhorse. This skid steer attachment is designed to turn your Bobcat T190 into a powerhouse, efficiently splitting logs in no time with its hydraulic force. This setup is incredible. The speed and efficiency with which it splits logs is truly impressive. It's a must-have for serious woodworkers. The guy cutting the tree at the top and then falling with it, talk about a risky move. Cord King M1820 is a firewood beast. It powers through logs like it's nothing. With its robust cutting system, the Cord King M1820 delivers unmatched efficiency in firewood production. The Peterbilt 359 is a beast. Look at that sleek design and raw power coming through. This truck has become a symbol of strength, combining vintage style with modern power to handle the toughest jobs. That was a close one. The branch hit the stairs just as he cut it. He almost fell, but he grabbed onto the tree in time. The rotten H21D is a powerhouse in action. Look at it maneuvering through the forest with such ease. This forwarder's strength and precision make it a go-to choice for tough forestry jobs, with a focus on efficiency and reliability. The cutting performance of the MS661 is jaw-dropping. It's engineered to handle the toughest timber with ease and speed. Watch it tear through those logs like a hot knife through butter. Whoa, that's insane. That massive tree fell so close to the house. Such a close call, it could have caused major damage. The Rayco RG80 is a stump grinding monster. Look at how it tackles those stumps with such precision and force. With its compact design and incredible power-to-weight ratio, the RG80 offers both maneuverability and efficiency for stump removal. The Vermeer WC2500 XL whole tree chipper is a beast. Watch it chew through trees like they're just twigs. The speed and power are unbelievable. It's a true game changer for large-scale wood processing. Oh no, the machine was lifting that massive log, but it looks like it lost control and it fell. When lifting large logs, it's important to ensure proper balance and secure lifting points to avoid accidents like this and keep the equipment stable. Equipped with an easy splitting cross and a winch, this splitter tackles tough logs while keeping the process efficient. Just look at it pull and split those massive logs effortlessly. What a time saver. The 1948 Peterbilt is a classic beauty. Look at that vintage design paired with timeless power. Known for its durability and iconic style, the 1948 Peterbilt continues to stand the test of time, built for hard work and long hauls. Built for forestry work, the 953 MH combines incredible lifting power with advanced hydraulics for efficient timber handling. This machine's impressive reach and versatility make it perfect for all types of forest operations, from logging to loading. The power behind the Dolmar PS9010 is incredible. Watch it power through thick wood like it's nothing. The Dolmar PS9010 is an absolute beast. Watch it cut through those logs with such effortless power and precision. The Morbark 5048X is a real monster. It chews through wood like it's nothing, grinding with unstoppable force. That grinding power is unbelievable. The Morbark just devours logs, making quick work of even the largest debris. It's always a bit nerve-wracking watching someone cut branches from the top of a tree.
A little much?
Whoa, that branch just fell right onto the house. That's a close call. Lucky no one was in the way. Wow, the 2040 XP2 makes firewood production look effortless with its blazing speed and accuracy. This processor handles large logs with ease, offering precision cutting and splitting for maximum output. two log trucks cresting that hill together. What a sight. The sheer power they bring over that slope is incredible. Do you see that red button below? Click subscribe. It's free. Get all our new extreme machinery videos automatically every day. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. Now, let's get back to the action and check out more extreme heavy machines. Built for heavy loads, these log trucks are designed to conquer hills while maintaining balance and stability. The Tigercat LX830E is on fire, cutting through those logs like a hot knife through butter. Amazing precision. This feller buncher is equipped with advanced cutting technology, making it ideal for fast and efficient timber harvesting. The Husqvarna 572 XP is a total beast. Look at it power through that wood with speed and precision. The advanced engine design and ergonomic features make the 572 XP a top choice for professionals needing power and comfort. The Bandit 3590 whole tree chipper is an absolute powerhouse. Watch it devour entire trees with ease and precision. Seeing the 3590 in action is incredible. Its ability to chip entire trees effortlessly is a testament to its engineering excellence. This highlights the importance of wearing proper safety gear, especially face protection, when working around trees or during tree felling activities. Designed for tough terrain, the RT400 mulcher excels in clearing land using its high-powered rotor to reduce vegetation and define mulch quickly. It's incredible how the AHWI RT400 mulcher handles such dense vegetation, turning it into mulch with ease and leaving the land ready for reuse. The Japa 435 is a firewood processing marvel. It handles logs with such ease and precision. Designed for performance, the Japa 435 stands out with its smooth operation and durable construction. Wow, that hill is steeper than it looks. The truck is handling it like a pro, such control and power. Even on steep slopes, log trucks are designed to maintain stability using advanced braking systems and weight distribution to keep control. The Komatsu XT465L5 feller buncher is a total powerhouse. Look at it grab and cut trees like it's nothing. That felling action is pure magic. Watch it slice through the trees with effortless power and accuracy. Designed for the toughest forestry tasks, the MS-881 features an advanced engine and cutting technology, perfect for large-scale tree felling. The cutting performance of the MS-881 is mind-blowing. It slices through timber with ease, proving why it's a top choice for professionals. The part of the tree that was cut just fell right onto the house.
Oops, that wasn't the plan.
The Echo S1001VL is a beast on the logs. Watch it cut through like it was made for the job. The power and control this saw offers are amazing. Watch it work through thick timber effortlessly. Compact yet powerful, the Bilk S3 is perfect for producing firewood quickly and effortlessly. This machine is a little powerhouse. It slices and dices wood like a pro. Watching the Kenworth log truck jack down that hill is unreal. Such power and control in action. You can feel the control this truck has, jackknifing down that hill with complete confidence. This timber feller buncher is a true beast. Watch it grab and cut trees with jaw-dropping precision and power. This machine is built to tackle large-scale tree felling with its hydraulic arms and saw head, making quick work of even the toughest trunks. Known for its lightweight design and powerful engine, the Makita 6200 is perfect for both professional and home use, providing high-performance cutting. Whoa, the Makita 6100 is cutting through that wood like it's nothing. The Ponce Scorpion King is an absolute game changer. Look at how it grabs and processes those trees with ease and speed. Equipped with a unique boom and high-tech control systems, the Scorpion King excels at precision felling and processing in tough terrain. The Western Star 4900 SB log truck is an absolute giant. It hauls massive loads with style and strength. Just look at the load this truck can carry, pure power and reliability on every haul. The RCA 480 Joy combines portability with power, making it ideal for on-the-go firewood production. Can you believe the speed and ease this unit offers? It's a total game changer in mobile firewood processing. It's always impressive watching a pro cut a tree and let it fall in the right direction. Just a smooth, controlled move. Watching that tree fall so smoothly, there's nothing quite like seeing a well-executed tree felling in action. This attachment is designed to work seamlessly with your skid steer, offering both cutting and splitting in one powerful tool, saving you time and effort. Watching this attachment in action is amazing. It handles both cutting and splitting with ease, making quick work of tough wood.